Hi there! If you are watching this video, it means you are interested in applying to the UWC movement. That's very exciting and we wish you good luck. This is a short tutorial for you where we explain how to fill out the application on the platform, how to complete the tasks, and submit your application. Ready? Let's go! Now that you have registered on the platform and filled out the eligibility quiz, you will see all available programs there at the moment. Please note that based on your citizenship, you might be eligible to apply to more than one national committee. According to UWC rules, candidates may submit only one application per year through one national committee only. All you have to do is to click on your UWC National Committee and start the process. Please read the provided information there and click on Apply. Here you see the application form with 8 tasks to complete. Let's go through each of them one by one. Okay, the first task is personal information. Here you provide information like your name, your surname, your preferred name if you have any, your gender, your date of birth, current city, and other information. Once you fill that out, you click on Next. Next, we ask you to provide more information on questions like your native language, English language proficiency, other languages that you may speak. Then, you provide information on your school history. You can save and continue later, or once fully completed, you mark it as complete. Now you can see on the left that your task personal information is complete. The second task is contact information. In this section, we ask you to provide your contact information, like email address, phone number, home address, etc. Please read carefully each question and fill it out accordingly. Click on Next and continue filling this section out. Don't forget to mark it as complete once you are done. The next task is academic information. First, you are required to attach your school transcript for the last academic year. If it's not in English, we request that you translate it and list all the subjects in the same order as in your transcript in the boxes below. Add your school's maximum grade and mark it as complete. In the core application information, we ask you to write down your top and bottom 3 UWC colleges and your reasoning for it. A tip from us: do your research thoroughly and explain your rationale. Next, we provide you with information on IBCP program and ask you to mark your interest if so. If not, then you just skip it. Afterwards, there is one more question to answer and fill in. Clicking on the button Next, you will find 11 questions which are mostly aimed at learning more about you. So take this as a chance to present yourself, your goals and aspirations. Share what you want the selection committee to learn about you. Please be aware that there is an expected answer length for each question. A tip from us: be authentic, honest, and consistent. On the next page, you are requested to provide information on your volunteer experience and achievements, if any. And right after it, we get to the cornerstone of the application form: writing an essay. Each year, we offer 2 topics to choose from with an expected answer length of 400 words. A tip from us: carefully read the instructions of the task. Take your time to think over the topic you will choose. Start writing your essay bearing in mind its structure: introduction, body, conclusion. You can use technology to support your work to some extent, but please be informed that when the essay is predominantly AI generated, it will be automatically disregarded. We are interested to learn how you think, not what the AI can generate. Once your essay is written, answer the next 2 questions and mark it as complete. With the core application information complete, you will be left with 4 technical tasks to do. First is parents, guardians, information, and authorization. Please read the provided information carefully and click on Request a recommendation. A new window will pop up where you have to fill in your parents, guardians' contact information. Once you send a request, they will receive an automatically generated email with a link. They need to click the link and follow the instructions to complete the task. In this section, we ask your consent to collect and process your personal data. Please choose the template which corresponds your age. Download it and read it carefully. In case you are 14 or 15, the consent form needs to be signed both by you and your parent or guardian. And if you are 16 plus years old, then only by you. Once signed, please upload the document back to the platform. In these last two tasks, you only have to attach a good quality of, first, your passport or ID, second, a photo of yourself. If you don't have a passport or ID, you can attach your birth certificate. When done, mark the tasks as complete. When you have everything complete, go double check your application. In case anything needs to be changed, you can find the edit button here. When done with your edits, make sure to click on Mark as complete. And when fully done, click on Submit button before the deadline. Best of luck!